welcome to Letscookolet. Today is a chilling day for me, so I decided to show you how to make 3 quick appetizers for Easter. Doesn't have to be for Easter, but it's happening now because it's Easter time, but you can make it any other day, no problem. I'm gonna start showing you how to make the quiche dough. So I'm gonna add the flour. Voila. Flour out. Now I have here some butter, 1 egg, icing sugar, salt, olive oil and water, baking powder, and an orange zest. Voila, here we go. Look at this nice, beautiful quiche dough. Now we're gonna portion it 12 because I'm using the 12 compartment muffin tray. But we need let's start with 1. Roll it like a ball. You don't need the flour. This special dough, you don't need flour for it. And roll the other side. And we're gonna roll it thin. Nice and thin. Voila. Look at this. In the baking tray, put it, you push down inside and you leave the edges looks like a flour. Voila, so that's how it's gonna look like. And now let's put it on the side. So I'm using here all kind of peppers, 4 different kind of peppers. So I'm gonna dice them very small, and you can use whatever you want. Me, I like to use the mixed pepper and make it as a vegetarian quiche. So let's dice them very small here. I choose these 4 colors because it's close to the Easter color. Put them in a bowl here. Now I need the eggs and cream, heavy cream, salt and pepper, of course, and I'm adding a little bit dill here for flavor. Here we go, and the Parmesan cheese. Give it a nice mix. Make sure you mix it very good so you get all the color, all the vegetables, and when you fill up the compartment, only 3/4 way. Voila, there you go. And now make sure your oven on 350 and good to go in the oven. So now by the time we're waiting for the quiche to be ready, I'm gonna show you how to make the chick eggs and the devil eggs. So I already have the eggs boiled and peeled. And let's show you here. You push down a little bit and you roll it. And I'm using here the wavy knife. It's called wavy knife. Continue doing this till you reach the end. And this comes out. Now the egg yolk, we need it, so just give it a little push to get the egg yolk out. Here you go, and we're gonna save those. Now for the devil eggs, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna go a half, not on the top. We're gonna cut it in half. You can hold it by hand if you want. Round, twist. Voila, that's what you need, and the egg yolk in, and that's what you need. So what we need the egg yolk for, we're gonna stuff the eggs with it. So I have the egg yolk here. I'm gonna add some mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and I'm going to add little paprika for color, and a fork, and mix it up very well to become a little creamy. Beautiful. The egg yolk is here, ready to go. Nice, that's what we want. Now let's check on the quiche here. Oh, look at this. Beauty. Beauty. Look at this quiche. Nice. Now we have to rest it on the side for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can eat it right away, but let it rest, it's much better. So we're gonna start the chicks first. We're gonna make their feet. So what I'm using here, I'm using a carrot, and I'm gonna cut it triangle. This is what all about, just having fun, right? Just a little trim here and here. And that's how it's gonna look like. Here we go. So now we have the feet. Now I need a toothpick cut in half. Stick one in here and one in here, and grab one of the egg and goes all the way in. And the filling, and for the nose, we're gonna cut a little tiny piece here, and of course we're gonna put his cap on, right? Here we go. And I have 2 tiny peppercorn. That will be his eyes. Here you go. It's the last, third one. Our chicks. Look at this here. Beautiful. Now for the devil eggs, the one we cut the other side. So all what you need, just very simple, very easy. Just you fill up here and good to go. Now it's time to put it all together. Let's cut the quiche first. So let's slice our quiche. Beautiful. Look at this. Nice. So you got your Easter quiche, devil eggs, the chick. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy what we show you. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.